Go. Ay. Hello, everyone. So today we will be talking about matcha. So there are different kinds of matcha. You have your ceremonial grade matcha, which is the finest matcha that you can find. You can find it in a tin like this. This
How much?
goes for
How much?
about this goes for about $30 to $50. This one
Oh
is
my
straight.
God.
This is Japan.
Oh, kan?
That's not how you do it.
Wait, tanaw bitaw si Nat kinsa ko nung
Abi
gigising.
jud agnat, abi mo artista nat no. Oh, artista nat. But you can actually save with this tin can because you only need 1 teaspoon like this when you make your matcha.
Really?
Yes,
Nat,
but this is the cheap matcha which you can get for $3 to $5 a pack.
oh,
But it has sugar in it, and when you make it, you need 3 teaspoons of this.
oh, much.
Yes, baby. Hello, look, there's a baby here too.
Oh,
Yeah.
there's a hi, Ila.
Hi, Tita Sheds.
Hello, baby. Oh, you look like a girl.
Mura siya sa
Are
kuan
you
oy,
a girl?
yung daddy.
No.
No.
What's your name? What's your
What's your
name?
name?
So I'm Eli.
Day. Aray
I'm
ko po.
Eli.
Mama, get that one.
Which one?
That one.
This
That
one?
one.
Yeah.
That's for baby. It's for baby Emilia. B. B. You tell them, B. What's your name?
Eli.
What's your full name?
Little person, unknown.
Uy,
Unsa na,
properly.
unsa na?
Louder one. What's your full name?
I know.
Huh? Again. Again. Sige. We're gonna make. Oh, Eli. What are we making today? What's this?
But,
Matcha.
Matcha.
Mom, like
Yeah. Unsa mani? Kani. Unsa mani? Unsa mani?
Patty.
Huh? Is this
Pat.
your
Lubot.
lobot?
Wet.
Wait. Show Tita Shads. Where's your ilong? Asa mo ilong?
Wow. Where's your mata? Your eyes? Oh
Mata.
no. Mata. What about your mouth?
Ba ba. Ba ba.
Ba. Oh, what about your dunggan? Ears?
Dunggan.
Wow, very good. Eli, I give Eli 10 over 10 for today.
No, but like I said, Mom,
Ayaw na ilang matcha kay mahal mo.
Dep, matcha? Ay,
Ha?
ni mong
Uy,
matcha?
uy. Ako.
May what?
Just man.
Organic mo ha?
put milk.
Mo try pero kani gigaan sa kog kani di man ni organic.
Oh, naay sugar.
Pero lami gihapon siya so ako gapo siyang ano.
Kani
Na,
ano, fresh milk?
Di, show Tita Shidel your dinosaur ka. Go get your dinosaur.
No.
No.
How about that?
No.
Big, I'm gonna make matcha na. It's hot.
No. I don't want to.
Di ta ka vlog ni mo. Saan na to pag vlog? Hmm.
Bisaya mga Deb.
Usa, oh. Pero pasabot siya niya. Usa mag-English sa mi pero magbisaya ka pa.
What I make? What I make?
Tita Shidel, you put a matcha here.
Look at
Ni imo isula shushu.
you.
Ano, Tita Shidel, kahuman.
Yes, ako yeah.
Oh, ako gitanaw ka ng unsa-unsa butim ba na mga group call.
Okay naman eh. Problema ni mo.
Nag-ungot-ungot sa ako ah.
Kanya.
Nadira sa
Mag-get
bag.
the hot water.
Where's the water? Hot
Yeah.
water.
Oh, did your husband see how we are talking, Adib?
Oo, naman diya.
Adib, kadung na siya usa ta magstoryanay.
Okay ra niya. Ningon siya, lahi ko ng color among itlog. Akong tanawin. Because look at the egg. Dada said it's a different color.
Basta yellow kayo. Organic siguro.
Be like darker, right?
Yeah. So,
Conscious na mo sa unsa maski color sa itlog, conscious na ka.
Day,
Sige.
mahal na kayo mo itlog diri, Day.
Diri sa mo,
Kinamahalan.
diri sa mo adib kay barato ra kayo. Usa ka tray tag 10 dirhams.
Sus, diri
Mga
mahal.
$3.
Yung asin.
Diha sa
Mga
dinyo ha shed.
$3.
Diha shed.
Oh,
10 reals na.
Hold on.
mga $3.
Let me
Oh.
put
Usa ka tray.
hot water here, okay?
Ay barato
Kami
siya.
itlog, no?
Kinsa sasa.
Pila
Mahal
din.
siya. Eli, wait, come on, look. Let's show them how to make the whisker.
No.
Daon sa daw.
No.
Going. Where are you going?
Yan.
Abi na huwag na.
We're gonna make breakfast. Hindi, mag-breakfast ta.
Deb,
Dili.
abi na huwag na ka sa imong sa house. Diha.
Ha?
Abi na huwag na ka sa imong mami na house. Nganong tulog.
Naabitaw?
Nya, man sila.
Si Mami, nas Pilipinas, day.
So upat ra mo diha.
Oh, namlagay na silhig. Namlagay na silhig. Silhig. Tukog.
Uy, inosente ka. Mo na siya ang pangkuan, steer ka.
Eli.
Silhig tukog grabe ay. Palit nga dito daghan adib. Padasi mo mama adib.
Mahal kay ni. 15 taon ni day.
O gani
Dollars?
padala sa imong mama.
Sa Japan ay nani mahal sa Japan.
Pero
Sikat
ano,
kasi. Kakuan sa idea nga no inani siya.
ambot lang kay para nako pwede ra gid na ini tubig imong gamiton para mo dissolve yung maayo ang powder.
Mm.
Daghang ek break. Ek churva.
Ni mo pa diyang ibutang og hot water first before ni mo ikon para muhumok daw. Kagan kini siya ek.
Nya nalingor pagka unya unsa na Deb tubig.
Oh, so now your matcha should look like this.
Okay? Yeah.
Poison.
You only put a little bit of water. Ni mo siyang i-anana. Shuk.
Napud.
Ningon sila na mas it's healthier to drink matcha with water itself, not with milk, inana, because milk takes out the benefits of the matcha.
Oh, what are the
lami man jud ang milk day so muna mag-milk.
mao gyud correct. So what are the benefits of matcha madi ay?
It is high in glyphenol, which is a very good anti-cancer benefits.
Oh, I like that. What
Unsa pa may benefits sa matcha? Unsa ko no? Putol-putol man ka siya.
does it make our skin glowy?
Yeah. Yeah,
Ay.
ningon sila na ang basta daghan kay benefits kung unsay benefits sa green tea mas double daw ang matcha.
Ay, ganahan ko ano. Matcha.
Asa naman sige.
So heat up our milk. We're gonna use our frother from
Napay fruiter.
Nespresso. So you just put your milk in here to heat it up.
Ay. Mo din ni gamit ana.
Yeah, mo na gatas ko an. Dad, mo na po na gatas ni Eli ang Kirkland.
Mas nice. It's an A2 milk.
Kaya di ba fresh milk?
Oh, fresh.